Up next in our 5 to 8 beginner Tamahine category, we have number 23. Number 23.
All right, the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our category, we have number 25. Number 25.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
All right, up next in our category, we have number 27. Number 27.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. job.
Up next in our 5 to 8 beginner tamahine category is number 32. Number 32.
All right, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers. Number 32.
Up next in our category, we have number 33. Number 33.
All right, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers. Good job. Manahere, good job, Joe.
Up next in this category, we have number 36. Number 36. This is one of our biggest categories.
Yes. I did 16 dancers. All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers definitely ready. Drummers.
Job number 36.
Manahere,
Our
good job.
last dancer in the 5 to 8 beginner kamahine category is number 40. Number 40. Again, our 5 to 8 and 9 to 12 categories were our biggest categories this weekend.
Yes, it was.
I think they're a majority of our numbers this year.
All right, looks like the judges are ready and dancers ready. Drummers.
Calling all 9 to 12. All 9 to 12 backstage. All right, we're now going into our 5 to 8 beginner Tamaroa category with number 46. Number 46.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. I won't tell. I will not tell. Good job, Momo. Give me back. That was amazing.
All right, we are now entering our 5 to 8 intermediate Tamahine category. 5 to 8 intermediate with number 47.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our category is number 48. Number 48.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Second call for our 9 to 12 age categories. 9 to 12, head backstage, please. All right, up next in our 5 to 8 intermediate Tamahine category is number 49. Number 49.
All right, it looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Number 49. Number 49. Good job, my girl. Thank you.
And our last dancer in the 5 to 8 intermediate Tamahine category is number 50. Number 50.
Let's go, Kenny! Go, Kenny!
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. And drummers. Number 50. Good job, my girl.
All right, we do have a dance-off.
Oh, first one.
So when you hear your number, please go backstage. We're gonna do the dance-off right after the 5 to 8 advanced category. The dance-off numbers are number 11 and 27. 11 and 27 go backstage.
You gotta dance again.
Okay, we're now going into our 5 to 8 advanced tamahine category with number 52. Number 52.
All right, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Number 52.
Good job.
Again, our dance off, we need numbers 11 and 27. Make your way backstage. And all 9 to 12 categories. Okay, up next in our 5 to 8 advanced tamahine category is number 54. Number 54.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready, drummers. Number 54. Thank you, girl.
All right, up next in our 5 to 8 advanced tamahine category is number 56. Number 56.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. job.
Number 56.
Good job, girls.
Up next in our category is number 57. Number 57.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Our last dancer in the 5 to 8 advanced tamahine category is number 58. Number 58.
Let's go, Jojo! I love you! Let's go, AJ!
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Let's go!
That concludes that category.
Go, Jojo!
5 to 8. They're definitely advanced. Good job, guys.
We're now going to the 5 to 8 advanced Tamoroa with number 59. Number 59.
Let's go, boy! Love you, Jude!
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
number 59.
Yes.
That is our last dancer in the 5 to 8 age category. Before we go into 9 to 12, we do have our dance off. Let's welcome to the stage number 11 and number 27.
Show some love, guys. Let's go. First dance off of the day. All right, judges are ready, dancers are ready, drummers. So your number 27 and 11.
Just relax. Oh, wait.
Just give a chance to look at you guys. Good job, girls. Show them some love.
All right.
That's the first one.
Judges are good. Thank you.
All right, good job, girls. Thank you.
We're entering our 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category. This was our biggest category of the weekend. There was 47 total.
Yes.
So, we're gonna start off with number 60. Number 60 in our 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category.
All right, judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Up next, we have number 61. Number 61.
All All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Hey, all right, number 61. Good job, number 61. Maru.
Up next in our category is number 62. Number 62.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Hey, all right.
Good job, number 62. Still the 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category. Up next, we have number 64. Number 64.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 64. Thank you.
Up next, we have number 66. Number 66.
Alright, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in the 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 70. Number 70.
Alright, looks like the judges is ready. And dancers are ready. Drummers. Good job, number 70, Maru.
Up next in our 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 74. Again, this is our largest category of the weekend. So give it up for all the kids dancing today.
Just waiting for the judges to finish their comments. And ease dancer. All right, looks like the judges is ready. And dancers ready, drummers. Good
Good job,
job.
number 74.
Maruru.
Up next, we have number 75. Number 75.
That's your baby. All right, looks like the judges are ready. Okay, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job,
Number 75.
I love you, Lena!
I love that mom.
Yes!
Yes, girl.
Still in the 9 to 12 beginner Tamahine category, we have number 79.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our 9 to 12 beginner Tamahine category, we have number 82. Number 82.
Just giving the judges a moment to finish their comments, which we appreciate. All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancer ready. Drummers. Good job.
Up next in our 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 84. Number 84.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next, 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 86. Number 86.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancer, ready. Drummers.
Up next, we have number 87. Number 87.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. number 87. Good job, my girl.
Up next, we have number 88. Number 88.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 92. Number 92.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. All right, number 92. Good job, number
Good job,
92.
number 92. Up next is number 97. Number 97.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. 107. Manahere.
All right, up next we have number 101. Number 101.
Right.
Judges are ready. Drummers.
Good job, Manahere.
Up next, we have number 103. 103. Judges ready? Drummers.
Good job, Manahere.
Our last contestant in the 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category is number 104. 104.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. 102.
Calling all 13 to 15 age categories backstage. 13 to 15. This is your first call. We're gonna clean up the stage real quick.
So that concludes that category, 9 to 12 beginners. That was one of our biggest group. We had 19 total semifinals for that. So
we're now going into our 9 to 12 beginner Tamaroa category with number 107. 107.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Into our 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine category, starting off with number 102. 102. Judges ready? Drummers. I'll speak too.
job.
Again, we're in the 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine category. Up next, we have number 109. 109.
Alright, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
dance-off in the 9 to 12 beginner tamahine category. When you hear your number, please go backstage. We'll do your dance-off right after intermediate. Numbers 66, 74, 75. Again, 66, 74, 75, you have a dance-off. Up next in our 9 to 12 intermediate is number 112. 112.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 112, Maru.
Up next in our 9 to 12 intermediate tamahine category is number 115. 115.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 115. 115. Good job, Maru.
All right, up next, we have number 118. Number 118. Judges ready? Drummers. intermediate category is number 121. 121.
Alright, looks like the... Yep, they're ready? That's it.
Get it, girl. Got my look?
Number 121. Let's welcome our last dancer of the 9 to 12 intermediate Tamahine category. Number 124. 124.
Alright, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Come on, Ava.
of the day. All right, from our 9 to 12 beginners, number 66, number 74, and number 75. So let's go, give them some energy.
Let's go!
Looks like the judges are ready. Dancers are ready. Drummers. amazing. At ease, show your numbers. Judges good. Judges ready? Good? Oh, wait. Just relax. Relax. Good job, girls. That was amazing. What a dancer. Yes. Just giving the judges a few minutes. All right. Judges good, all right? Thank you, dancers.
Thank you so much.
Come again, guys. Good job, guys.
We are now entering our 9 to 12 advanced Tamahine category. Let's welcome to the stage number 125. 125.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job.
Up next, we have number 127. 127.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancer is ready. Drummers.
Up next in our 9 to 12 advanced Tamahine category is number 132. 132.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Good job, number 132.
Good job.
Up next in our 9 to 12 advanced tamahine category is number 133. 133.
All right.
This is a really competitive category this weekend.
Just a little bit. Girls are really good. All right, just waiting for the judges. Up.
Judges. We have another dance-off.
Oh my goodness.
In our 9 to 12 intermediate category. So when you hear your number, please go backstage. 102 and 112. 102 and 112. All right, up next we have number 134. 134.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
We are still in the 9 to 12 advanced tamahine category. Up next, we have number 137. 137.
You guys crack me up. All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Maruru.
Up next, we have number 138. 138.
All right, looks like a few minutes. Relax. All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our 9 to 12 advanced tamahine category is number 143. 143.
Let me see it, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, Lonnie! Watching you, baby.
Alright, our judges are ready. Drummers.
Where's that shit?
Oh.
Yeah!
beginner 9 to 12 advanced tamahine is number 148. 148. Judges ready. Drummers. Up next in our category is number 151. 151.
All right, judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers. Good job.
Our last tamahine in the 9 to 12 advanced category is number 152. 152.
All right, the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Up next, we have our 9 to 12 advanced Tamaroa, number 153. 153.
Judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
That is the end of our 9 to 12 age category, but we do have our dance off. Let's welcome to the stage number 102 and 112.
Show some love, guys.
102 and 112, 9 to 12 intermediate.
All right, the judges, are you ready? Dancers ready, drummers. Thank you, girls. Manahere, give me a hand, guys. Yes, that's how you do a dance-off.
All right, before we start our next category, we have another dance-off in the 9 to 12 advanced category. Number 125 and 148. 125 and 148. Dance-off. Okay, we're now going into our 13 to 15 beginner tamahine category. Starting off with number 159. 159.
All right. The judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. 162. 162. Give it up. All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Hold on.
Relax, at ease. Sorry, just waiting for the judges. All right, judges ready? All right, judges ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 162, Manahere. All right, next up, number 164. 164, House Beat 1. All right, judges ready? Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 164, Manahere.
Right, still in the 13 to 15 beginner category. Let's welcome to the stage number 168. 168.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
8.
Good job, Manahere.
Up next, we have number 171. 171.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Oh.
Hey, number 171. Good job, number 171, Manahere.
Up next in our 13 to 15 beginner category, we have number 172. 172.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Hey, number 172. Good job, my girl, Manahere.
Up next in our 13 to 15 beginner categories, number 174. 174.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. number 174. Good job, Maruru.
All right, up next, we have number 175, 175 in our 13 to 15 beginner category.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready, drummers. Good job, number 175, Maruru.
Up next, we have number 176, 176 in our 13 to 15 beginner category. Jumping is ready. Jumpers.
Good job, number 176, Maruru.
Let's go, Leilani!
Up next in our 13 to 15 beginner category is number 177. 177.
Oh, looks like the judges are ready.
I love you, Leilani!
Dancers ready, drummers. All right, moving on to this category, we have dancer 183, number 183. All right, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
Contestant in the 13 to 15 beginner category onto the stage, number 184. 184.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Good job, drummers.
Good job. Manahere.
All right, before we do our 13 to 15 intermediate category, we're going to do our dance-off from the 9 to 12 advanced category.
All right, show some love, guys.
Welcome to the stage, 125 and 148.
All right, this is a dance-off. All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. job, girls. I love that. This is what we call sportsmanship. Good job, girls. All right, just give a minute, relax. You guys did it. Judges, just waiting for the judges. They love you too, I'm sure. All right, judges are ready. Good job, girls. Good job. Give them a hand, guys. Yes. I love the sisterhood. Good job, guys.
All right, we're going to be starting our 13 to 15 intermediate category with number 129. 129.
All right, the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Way to start it off, number 129, Maruru.
Up next in our 13 to 15 category, intermediate, is number 185. 185.
All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
In the 13 to 15 beginner category, we're going to do it right after the intermediate, so go backstage. Numbers 168 and 172. 168 and 172, go backstage, please. All right, our next dancer up is 186. 186.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Maru.
Up next in our category, 13 to 15 intermediate vahine, is number 187. 187.
I'm just waiting for the judges to finish up. All right, looks like the judges are ready, dancers ready, drummers.
All right, up next we have number 189. 189.
Wow, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Good job, number 189, Maruru.
All right, our final dancer in the 13 to 15 intermediate category is number 191. 191.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
We are now entering our 13 to 15 intermediate Tane division, opening up with number 198. 198.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready, drummers. Maru.
All right, we're just gonna clean up the stage just a little bit. Yes, anti-Japan.
Good job, girl. Ben, level 3.
All right. Our next contestant in the 13 to 15 intermediate Tane division is number 199. 199.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready, drummers. Maru, good job.
All right, before we do our 13 to 15 advanced, we're going to do our dance-off in the 13 to 15.
All right, show them some love, guys.
Number 168 and 172. 168 and 172 in our 13 to 15 beginner Vahine category.
All right, judges are ready.
Drummers.
girls. Show your numbers. Good job. Relax. I think we're good. Good job, girls. Manahere. Give them a hand, guys.
All right.
Good job.
We are now entering our final category, 13 to 15 advanced vahine, number 201. Number 201.
All right, the judges are ready. Yep.
Yours.
Way to start it off. Great job, Manahere.
Up next in our 13 to 15 advanced vahine category is number 202. 202.
All right, just waiting for the judges. Looks like they're ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Number 202. Good job, number 202, Manahere.
All right, we do have a dance-off in our 13 to 15 intermediate vahine category. Go backstage, 191 and 129. 191 and 129 backstage, please. All right, up next in our 13 to 15 advanced category, we have number 206. 206.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. job. 206, Maruru.
Up next, we have number 208. 208 in our 13 to 15 advanced Vahine category. Judges ready. Drummers.
Good job, number 208, Maruru.
Okay, up next we have number 212. Number 212 in our 13 to 15 advanced Vahine category.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Number 212. 212. Good job, Maruru.
Up next in our 13 to 15 advanced Vahine category is number 213. 213.
All right.
Judges ready. Drummers.
job, Maruru.
All right, up next in our 13 to 15 advanced Vahine category is number 218. Number 218.
All right, the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers.
Up next in our category, we have number 219. Number 219.
Just giving the judges a few minutes. Just giving the judges a few minutes. We do appreciate their comments. Relax. All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Yeah. Good job, Manahere.
All right, the last in our category for the 13 to 15 advanced Vahine is number 222. Number 222.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers. Hey, number 222. 222, way to close it out. Good job, Maru.
All right, we do have our dance off for the 13 to 15 intermediate Vahine.
All right, show us
Welcome
some
to the
love.
stage, number 129 and 191. 129 and 191.
All right, looks like the judges are ready. Dancers, drummers. All right, relax, girls. Show your numbers. Good job. All right, just relax. Giving the judges a few seconds. All right. I think we're good. Good job, girls. Moderate.
All right. Before we break for lunch and to give them time to make sure we don't have any more dance-offs, we'd like to give a warm welcome to Hinanui Swider, the founder of Rise the Whenua, who is joining us at Manahere for the first time this year. She joins us today to share how her nonprofit is empowering Tahitian youth and making a lasting impact on the community.
Yorana everyone, I just wanted to first say a big thank you to Kawaii Hula, Uncle JB, and everyone who supported us here today. We're just super grateful and happy to be here for our first time. It's probably the first competition we've attended since we've had our whole setup, and we're just super grateful to be here and meet the community here in the Bay Area. You guys are all so wonderful, and we just wanted to just really thank you guys. You know, buying that first shirt and meeting you guys, or buying a second shirt when you guys come back, it truly makes a difference. Last year we donated school supplies and a backpack, and this year we're gonna be able to go back and donate iPads. And honestly, with this past weekend, I think next year we're gonna bring iPads, and next thing you know, it's gonna be welding machines and just everything to hopefully support these children and create job opportunities for them to succeed in their choice of career. So we just wanted to say a really big thank you to everyone who supported us, and we hope to see you guys again next year.
Yay! Thank you so much. Give her a hand, you guys. Thank you so much.
It's all about the community. It's great to have them here today. I'm going to just give a few minutes to make sure we don't have any more dance-off before we break for lunch. Haley? Mom? Tent? Pause.
Just a few minutes. So while we're waiting for that, I just want to say maruru to all the pupuoris that are here. Oh, holding my glasses. Hold on.
Again, we had 382 soloists over the weekend. Round of applause to all the pupuori and all the dancers this weekend.
Yes, and all the pupuoris, ehonu itie, ha'ai, halau hula pono, halau makana, hotua ori, hui taraba, le Polynesia, ke aka o Polynesia, makamai, melia o Polynesia, manuia, Mareva Productions, matahani, mataroa, Merahi o te hani, na hoku mai, kanoe lani, no te here o te hiroa. Ho ina aro nui, o tahi marama, o te api, po erewa rahiti, ta ere tiai, te ea o te turama, te ihi o te aranui, te aroa aroa. I always get tongue-tied on that, but I got it. Te orama, te pura o te rahuraa, sorry. Te waka nui, toera o manurahi, ora hau nui, and vaipuna no te here, maruru for being here. Yes, give yourself a hand of applause.
This is why we wait.
Yes,
Dance
there
off.
is.
Dance off. Okay. 191 and 189. 191 and 189.
You gotta do it again. Where are you guys? Come on up. We're doing it now, right?
Yes.
Come on, girls.
The sooner we do this, the sooner we can eat.
I know. Let's go.
191 and 189.
Oh, there she is. Yes, show them some love, guys. They gotta do it again. Let's go. Yes.
There's 189.
Come on, Ed.
Round of applause, 189
Yes.
and 191. All right, let's welcome them onto the stage. All right, judges ready? Keep cheering them on. All right. I think the tent is ready. Judges ready. Perfect. All right, drummers. Out of the mic.
Show your number, girls. Good job.
Judges ready? Good?
All right.
All right, you may exit the stage. Thank you, thank you.
Good job, girls.
That concludes the Ori portion before we break for lunch. We will take an hour break for lunch, come back at 2:15, and we're going to start the Mehura portion. All right? Have a good lunch. Make sure you shop all the vendors. There's so many good ones this weekend. And we'll see you in an hour.
Also, there's somebody left their lights on. It's a red Kia plate 9TGU477. You left your lights on. It's a red Kia plate 9TGU477. So you might want to turn it off. Thanks. Have a good lunch, everybody.
I'm supposed to remind you there's food to eat.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's on the back side, so I did my job.
Okay, thank you. It's good?